Hello and Sawadee. This is Teacher Ray of ACS MLP. We understand that learning at home by ourselves is going to be difficult without our teachers by our side. And so I made a YouTube channel. It's Kano Manuel Gonzaga. All you have to do is send me a question. I will make a video so I can teach you here what you learn at home. Also, I uploaded videos so I can teach you on how to navigate the website, the ACS Learning website. How do you find my channel? Go to Google and type www.youtube.com/c/Kano Manuel Gonzaga, or simply just search for Kano Manuel Gonzaga. When you find it, click it. It will take you directly to my YouTube channel where you can learn at home. Please visit my channel and subscribe. This is Teacher Ray. Sawadee ka.